If you've been looking for that perfect, professional-grade crust and wood-fired flavor without the hassle of managing a wood fire, the Halo Versa 16 is arguably the most user-friendly high-performance pizza oven on the market today. This is the oven that turns pizza night into a consistent, stress-free victory every single time you fire it up. What sets the Versa 16 apart from the crowd is the engineering focus on even heat. Anyone who has used a standard pizza oven knows the frustration of a charred edge on one side and a doughy center on the other. The Versa 16 solves this with its signature 16-inch rotating stone and a patented dual burner system. Here's why this is a massive upgrade for your backyard. The rotation advantage. The stone automatically rotates while it cooks. You don't have to stand there with a peel constantly adjusting the pizza. This movement ensures that every inch of the crust gets hit with consistent heat, giving you that beautiful, leopard-spotted bake all the way around. Dual burner precision. By using both a side burner for ambient heat and an understone burner for a crisp bottom, you get a perfectly balanced bake. You get that soaring, airy crust and a bottom that's firm and crispy, not soggy or burnt. Speed and capacity. It's built to reach high temperatures quickly, letting you churn out a piping hot 16-inch artisan pizza in as little as 5 minutes. It's the perfect size to host friends and family, allowing you to feed a crowd without spending your entire evening standing at the oven. Easy clean and use. Designed for simplicity, the Versa 16 is as easy to clean as it is to set up. It's powered by propane, meaning you get the heat intensity you need without the smoke, soot, and labor-intensive cleanup associated with traditional wood-fired ovens. Whether you are experimenting with complex sourdough crusts, perfecting a classic margarita, or just loading up on your favorite toppings, the Versa 16 makes the entire process incredibly rewarding. It is sleek, powerful, and remarkably effective at delivering those, wow, results that make your friends ask, "Where did you get this pizza?" If you are finally ready to stop settling for oven-baked pizza and want the professional quality of a pizzeria in your own backyard, you can find the best price for the Halo Versa 16 by clicking the link below.